ebusianfo aha Ghana Sen TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusianfo, mamu yina happy Easter by the way. Eda yanko wants to say, this year so Easter no, we've been alive or we are alive to see or to enjoy and experience it. And the most important, right? Assembly of what I can say. As for a thief, dear, there's no thief that enjoys it when he is stolen. Nimna obi arm robber, and I say, ebia a thief, right? Ukona ko we na dear, not chiwa, not in san kanwa. Obebu to say on the onye arm robber nebi. That is how they are. Ukwa shaman. Na ye chi obi maybe a pickpocket na ye bunu pa to be someone say hey Ashama for net me hero mo ho ebu obi chief say thief say cuz Boldness yes those boys no Boldness ye pickpocket omunya wan ka obawia but it me chi obi nkwan dia o mebu nipa no ene president your man pini Mahama asem President John Mahama ye bra oye opposition leader no asembia eba na dwumbia asembia eba na dwumbia oka aba na Akufo ado onto se bimpo senye se Akufo ado e kan sen kra Sakawa Akyem Sakawa boys
The comment made by my opponent, Akyem Sakawa people, I've not heard any public figure in this country, independent, yourselves or anybody, comment on it. It's completely unacceptable. If I was to get up to make a comment about Northerners or Gunchas, you can imagine the uproar that would be in the country.
Enye Akufo ado ne onu Mahama dia Akufo ado nyinsen nti obewu ntem Akufo ado eben owo sene onu jo Mahama no. Nsembe bre na Mahama kai. Oka nyina no de. Akufo ado ankaso. Akufo ado say se onu Akufo ado be wu ntem anase on wu ntem no. Ya nyina ye wo nyame nsem. Yes na Akufo ado kai.
Nana Akufo-Addo is going to live shorter because at his age, in the natural order of things, if everybody is going according to his age, he has a shorter time.
Na ujo Mahama waba abeyo mampeni. Se obi bo udia na ko chini pano. Obi kasa na ko chini pano. Ye frao Gonja Mafia boys na ko chi obi. To the extent say enne se. Ye see obi akọ movie bi or so. And say advert bi na ye wo ho a. Obi akọ ye interpretation of advert no. Akọchi abayewa no. Ya kwa kochi abayewa no. Ena make us there. I don't even know the state of the lady. And my name what they are doing with that lady. The same John Mahama na Akufo ado me body me friend odin BLB no. Today you cannot even tolerate the fact say obi interpreti advert I wo ho say video bi I wo ho. Hey for John. Anya na no aya. And now you're opposition leader. Nsembe na waka. Asembe na wujo Mahama His Excellency. When you were opposition, what didn't you say? What did it Malik mu, Sami Jemfi mu, Eric J mu? Even mi bra, Edem. Manya Edem agbanao, ada kwa champagne Edem no. Na obeka say Akufo ni born in and no wheelchair mu no. Sebe na mwaka. Enti ye MPP4 de yeni moja on. Any akuma, any feelings. Oh, so because of what your mama you are doing, what you have succeeded in doing, is say, yena MPP4, we have become bolder. Yeah, we are now bolder. We say many MPP Nibia also say, Yebechino. Yeah, say just a matter of time. Yeah, me say just a matter of time. And I'm ready. Obi Bia ready. Yes, Roshi. The only thing about myself here, but so we kunye don't me kunye. Yeah, you can't kill us. Because international community is watching. And so I grow a moody, thank you. I say my moody, I'm win to me. I'm moody because shame 2 weeks. I'm actually Paul, I don't know. Now I movie weekend. Now actually wait. So that moon name. The day you don't know. And you catch somebody. And if I don't call woo possession man. That's when you will know what you have done. That is when you will know what you have done. And when we say human life, no, you find there grow. And Miss Mia, my sister Queen Naya, Nibuefu, Nsawam for one of their executive senior communicators. Nibuefu, or say, Mahama, who are you? We are wine. We are wine. I ain't make a say. Now we are wine. Let's go listen to Queen Naya. For by your studio contribution, Pacho, still your gusu, and Tinabana was Queen Asia, Kito and Swabeda was a Dibia.
Ana hanu muse wunya kukudro jina mpinsie so efra ye Akufo ado so ye Sakawa e jina political mpinsie so without thinking say we ye penny and people look up to you what ba be ye penny wo Ghana ha say ukasa basa. Whether we don't know you were under influence of anything and we cannot prove it. But wakasa bia wanu kasa chaka basa. So who are you? Who are you that we cannot criticize? Who are you? Amemo papa be na ubu Ghana ha no ma so che obi a obi ntimi criticize o. Wakasa de wada pa ba begu abonte woni wo reckless umprafo no. My sister ne kai wo de abegu abonte. So who are you? Enkwasi amemo na mo bu na emfa kwan mu na it does not tally with whatever that you said because it is only NDCs. Me say when you am got radio stations and me say wahu the personality it is way below the belt or no sa nipa no ekita tablet okuje to black quadra room why ne sese ne oka ahomemu wosoro atoto tablet amankwasi afo we na me I will not blame anybody. I will blame empanifo no sa yibi na ye wo national honomo no omo di party ni your personal interest no those are the people that I will blame. Because the MPP for way, NDC for way don't have any credibility from the past up to this time. When it comes to governance, they cannot prove a point with one thing that they have done, tackle and done it well. And well, my way, not sad parts way be relevant. Then we don't have problem with Ghanaians or the NDC. We have problem with ourselves as new patriotic party. Adanko dada do ya memui and ya jana 1 and jana 2. And a bala can sama kesiye and Sami Jemfi Sam George I a politan kan chanya paya so fi mu pie I want me control suono ke kan kwasi asem gina mpinsie so kan say Dr. Mahama ba omiane na Akufo ado ye papa Akufo ado ye gay omunya gay ho faso na po nyina ye gay at the end of the day. And then you see, and you say Ghana nara. Ghana no you creating a service of I'm sorry, forgive us. And man Akufo ado, not just said Akufo ado is one of a politician who is very tolerant because this is the only man of Ghana habu or my 8 years or tolerating bullshit with greatest respect from all diverse ways. Wambeka sada na mu adanko dada dwe kioneta ban bala. Kwasi anko bi party to send this for mudin kwasi asembu o mind troka basa now the end day you criticize them o si ye beche mo and you move for public schools in under the prison o the be boa mo ne say public schools across Ghana nationwide no mo the better than prison centers because you have a lot of people that mo beche because MPP ye internal politics ni wie elections ni wie from September going we are in full speed and full spec. So you have a lot of people that you are going to deal with. So you should put proper measures in place whereby then you turn all public schools into prisons because there are lots of people in Nombabeko prison. That's right. What impudence? What impudence? I mean, the 24-hour economy now. What they done? Gobe no. I would now back movement. Ajana 1, Ajana 2. Those times, no. Gen Z's ni enim sadie we ya make. I could do Kaneshi and I could do Ubo and Kofo Jamo. Ajana 1, Ajana 2. Tema station. Ube 1 way bibi. enkosi bebia entronkoa enu benya NDC for communicators aya resource omo ho kan na omo studio ebia omo no ka say the 24-hour economy has been launched but it's still in the pipeline hwehwe ponchi we ya ne omo ti omo amu say ye ni we mu ye politics emwa we mu what you say? And no to media me Jinam Pinsi Swaka said we have a lot of work to do. Okay. Dr. Mahama Dubaumia, Yakwako Jina, my and papa nin kosi kwine so, my and fanning kwaso fanning be form. Let's start check say is this really Dr. Mahama Dubaumia that is our priority? And most of us we should stop fooling all in the name of MPP and Dr. Mahama Dubaumia and let's get to work. Research. In Kwafobebre, you don't research, you don't learn, you don't know anything. Go and research and go and fight against NDC. Don't come and fight me because if you fight, I'll fight you. What you say? You should buy your head in shame. Send NDC 40 and also young people. Now let's see NDC 4 Jim year way. So now I'm in Crawford, you know who the bonnie NDC 40. Now they fight a NPP for. I mean, sure.
I do go. Namokra, Diana Moko Didia. Eliani, I've not done. Could you go to Gabby, please? Me pacho. Hey, next person. That did you pacho Kasawa 4 minutes now. Sorry, so. Yeah.
Buddy?
I don't know why she want to play so bad. Is she going to be quiet? Okay, you just leave her. In case she's trying to be loud, then I'll tell her to come outside.
Ode obeti m crash sorry ko. Me unse me ba so na msa see.
Ane.
Na see na msa ba so say obi translate obi movie o say ne drama no say ne writing o say ne den. Ena eno akoba say yache abayo anatum. Enye den. Piese masem ye tie. Me say obi translate movie. And Okoka says, say, Mahama, warrior Daniel.
Aye, that channel.
Tromocrano. Yeah, the sense, Emmanuel.
Daddy, Mr. Trump, Omar Daneno cartoon bit is all by America for the Trump Francas. Mr. Mahama, any party will be our you.
Mongori.
Mama, any party will be another doing him. They be an ameno, I say, and this for Omunimunyansa. Daddy, idea where I will call ye. Say who konyani makes bell. Any trace watching every cotton top our mobile bonteno. Who konyani sign the about.
Of course.
By that stupid move, people are going to read inference into it and would expect meaning why and these things. Oh, there be that you're not next person in ready why now.
Manukres ye we.
Yo, me
catch her said, the echo swinging kwasi.
Daddy, right now, I'm beginning to think you're thinking, Nibi. I'm beginning to think you're thinking.
Like no crutch, say Ghana, yan stati and kum boys here.
Omunyai.
I am saying, no say free teacher, me bass, me catch us a quasi.
You shoot to kill.
Debia, Ghana, ye Modian, ne Quran, you can't even export it to Togo.
And the cocoa, Daddy, and the cocoa, Ghana cocoa. We Ghana cocoa who testing you. See, I mean, no thing. So our cocoa beans cannot leave Ghana. And this needs
cocoa, crown them and a buyer Sonia day.
And I make the cocoa right now. They are testing our cocoa. Oh my, first test it is not good for them. Nana do free so no. Ghana cocoa number 1, number 2 Cote d'Ivoire, number 3 Brazil.
Yes.
Cocoa no quality beans no. Ghana number 1, Cote d'Ivoire number 2, Brazil number 3. And then Ghana cocoa now you BCC are dying. Ghana cocoa now ya papa no de ye japade no. And then John Mahama nkwaba yes ye nto cocoa beans we buchire. Into I said be that I will say oh ye BC factory. Now say ya you
onim baby cry ye ko for machines in the aba.
Oh man, this government daddy is sad. If I told on Nanapia. First na nanka wo be kono ye frɛ wo na apia cha no akwaje contract wo be ntin kasa ye frɛ wo eno ni nti wo 4 minutes awe kada ne hanko
ai me fusu na me se sa boy jimi na o program no person obese no ono na me se me pay attention because prime worker o ma prane NDC for mo ano ntu no omo hu say wo ye program na say how omo aye say etwetwe scammers station boys for no say omo bra MPP for platform ase Omo hu say ye program bia o ma sheda be wuram. No ma be ye program ne basa. Omo jimi ni sa na yasoma wo mo. Na nso nye we na be me ye jai do Mahama no. Ense mu hu no ni na mamo kankan na wo buo no kasa. Ye beka. Because so ya the park or na makana ni mate. Wo ba betena so no hwe kwan a wo de na Akufo Akyem Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. Enu NDC form wa no. Wo mo de wo mo fa so. Ene de aduru so a wo so be ye den. Your mama so be chie ene on pe prison akese pa mu duru wo Ghana wo mfango. Na fe no wo be chiri nipa. Are you ready? Your mama sa wa mamu fun na wo buo no. We friend amamu. Scam amamu we. Scadicious amamu we. Ma your mama ho. Onim nyansa ye dibu o man yo nemom kro no amamu ode onimbu ekwan obefa so obewia Ghana obewia Ghana sika ede amankwasiafo bi tise ba sentali so nkodua ayi enye Mahama kamenim se ye dua kwa wonsusia
misina minimo wonsusia bi se fifi natural no man
really se fifi wo bi misi kwa mi fie ho me be de anwa kura guso aguagu di ni se kura no opie kwa wonsusia ifa na edua kwa wonsusia wo pe kwa wonsusia akote a wo misa sister ma wonko kwa enye na wo de ka kusuwa be hye de masisi ama no efiche bebre kwa wonsusia pie no ene dwom ama mamu okronfo amamu no scam wo de sa ade we kwa bu nkrofo keke na ba sentali na enim tank be ma fota etiti Dr. Mahmood Bawumia atem kurasi ni a woni certificate e wo se nkokaka na ntwie so sa boy we etimi da hokolo Dr. Mahmood Bawumia names wo chimi sa no kurasi ni be ma wo ba be jan akase wo be first ka bebrebe na Mahama de ama se fakoko dua kwa wusisia abra kokko akuafo ebre wo mu ni sika enkwasi ade na Mahama te wo manu di sika na ye kokko akuafo esu moto no wo boy wo ba be gina so akwasi ya o maami bi na ya to ni kokko ni entria ya ka ba be gina platform to see yetua ba wo utua no hefa utua no wo he sanse mu hu kika kwasi akika we mu no e na o mo person mo bra village wo na meka nkyere wo mo e fa na o mo chia sika no jo mama di sika chimi etwetwa akwasi sika ma mu di no da be no wati mu sika so mo surface fund da be no wati mu payment so na enkofo gu village ebre wo ma ko to mu koko obi na ye ni ya ani na ye kuro o pe sika e di akọ hospital ko onya bi wo be gina kwasi ye chia sika ma asebra be chimi ito wa be gina platform so e na be keka kwasi asem mo nyina nyame ehum na me se bra mo nyina mo be bre no enye nyu ho jo mama yiri wo aposuo mu na Ghana afa ni ye betwa bo se mo se mo de atem di die e na mo de be gi tumi a MPP for ya ye ready o wo de be chi na mebre e na prison some sisi dodo yiro wo ne ko si dodo na sa de ne tekrema butu na otikum ase na wo twa na won de ye nyama ne so ye be tia na ya se ma wani afa na num aboa ne tekrema butu no sa ye se friend wan me nim ne din kura bo
amoakohene
chifo wo be friend no hene na hene pa hene ye ndu so na hene pata no onama no wo su ne tu se de sabi wa bo pempas no chimi no no Sam George no me kama wiase nyina ate se Mahama se won sai trumudie de ne de NDC fo nyina du omtru aka
no
so obo de be share MPP fo se MPP fo nyina du omtru de ne so mama efri MP so efri wo so wo mu nyina da wo mu nyina du omtru hwe Sam George wo hu si balu nya ne tu ne yadi ne tu ne yadi tu ne wo kukutu no na mo wada wontumi sabi wontumi enter no chimi munyina jwamama munyina friend DC enkwalo pani o munyina mudi moto o pa sign one sign de na mu de duto mama pasiafo o ka se bejeja mo o ka se bejeja wo mo so munyina du awoto se mo ka MPP fo ye di eto de na jwamama woni ho staffers fo ni nyina e ma na ewo ni nyina e mema ni nyina MPC fo no omo huhu se baalu no omo nyina ye di omto that is maminya
Mate, no time to play. 4 minutes, yanko. No time to play. Not current the area. Me patch after current me for be
good evening. That's how I made this big platform say Mr. Main contribute.
Kasa.
Na ade me ya pa ne on so hwe ye constituency as stand on offer. Ehone ye UP as traditional seat for the MPP.
Ya se buzi anti.
But just say
Say buzi anti me bo atano ho no.
Bajan. But the NDC for you know, as if say like the bia no mo kan omukura sugar coated mouth.
Yeah.
And guru be say you will stream bid that if say say pass it through the wanted to Tesha. Stream be what you want omukọ catch omo that was 2024 say the entire zone rain say ya ton stream number St. John War Hospital intina so na every into omo 20 MPP na sinema we say stream ultimate ton stream ma hospital ma omutimi link pipeline betuma eco hospital na so na we na obi atime gina so avote aba against the sitting government.
This is crazy.
Cinema nyansam kituo bet asa nipa agye dia to abet MPP
the nipa GP say MPP for aton stream na e da
ho stream no ama hospital ha antina wo ha na nso na we omuntimi nsa no cinema nya but it brings some American salonti and ma half original said you craft 4 seats.
Yeah
you craft 4 seats in the original and ma ilusu ya is only 1 seater. Is your friends that my father say day in and day out to be your community engagement. I say for the first time crown bugi no bakwa kate soda e ba bi see your friends maternity blog ama health center or one electoral about the campus.
It's not always loud.
Program no crack also 3 days today.
I say me yeah.
You know say na adwuma de no kure ni me ka say adwuma na yeso a enti no me de message say projects any nyuma ye for the past 8 years employment any your friends creating of your friends social amenities ne other developmental project and across the regions ni na say share say dey ebo the because Gen Z for they don't even know the NDC are also against this country. And we the MPP no NSA all the time be and educated the Gen Z people no to understand the political party of the MPP because say anye say no because they say registration cry say no day in and day out and we keep educating them so like you on a pie day because back turn off say you almost 4 tertiary institutions in turn off I saw for the first time ni nya your friends a training school that fire service training school but in the history of Ghana no turn off a part of the fire service training school and the social zones ni na so a teacher do bazu say nya new fire service station it you know all the 5 zones ni na the makers obia or secondary school obia so tertiary institution as a boy it you go so educated Gen Z for now say the MPP government now say omomoba developmental projects say no mutumi man boani creation of jobs and no education you go so educated because Gen Z for there because we say omonte like MPP as because we say we time you wo the year 2000 and no benefit conform we could free sessions but still no say you continue educated with them they will not understand the MPP as a political party.
Okay.
Say no man say it me factory also na day in and day out to be an this message no e wuro madwuma na yedai e do mu nsuko ntino me da was in your fellow so on this platform go come on need
moderators after motion no my real I have to get up next Saturday maybe a little 1 hour I've done 3 hours now ntino senior current
I salute you, boss.
But wait 4 minutes to be focused on me now.
Papa, wait there, make kakra. Bina, NDC crown no time, no. Fellas, NDC, that be na day. Woman go school and answer the crown no time.
Karen, they are mentioning 250 million for an for an AI center. AI center there easy to build now, no, because of
AI center there. The technology is already there.
It's there. Like the technology is there.
On the engineers for Framo build AI na.
$250 million.
Oh, Debbie. On the fellas, and no money be a yaw. Okay, is a muntaka tantan was say Makoto Pampers a mame, but Makoto Tinchingari.
Aye, Tinchinga. Munaka.
Oh, what did to the same trend though? Says a Ghana for Nina Sati dia Ben Kwayo was a day. And you see, Uncle Doa a before why a consul for bear why acres. The entity Magana Nibia would refuse the end day until Tisika close to $1 million. See, I'm Francois Adiwi.
Yep.
Yakoto TV Baku 8 billion. Yakoto toilet road, they are 5 billion.
5 billion. What to get that? 5 billion for
toilet. We end this in here. You should bow your head in shame.
They don't have no shame. They don't have no. The
people is idea when you any woo. Like any woo too much. So who could yadia? Sanoma no man idea sheshe. So sourcing road that ya no yetima bohu bear times 10. Say you for maintenance.
Just for
maintenance. So say there are many per bear 3 different amounts. Nanti research na wo to aba Mahama is the hope na nke you say ya no.
We are no any. Ano na muhu.
What is that time do? Na me say no man we me dwene ho am.
But me current me no ade no me nhyɛ da nte ase bio in the way say e will move through there me MPP ni wo so ye NDC ni there is nothing wrong with that. But obi abeka kire wo say on to me ntua adwumayefo ka on to me ntua kokofo ka but obetumi enya close to $1 billion. Say odikodia kwensuso a Ghana ni awo Ghana unim say enoma kodi a omobenne sebe ema ni fifi naturally like
no
we end this meeting okay say omode close to 1 billion yenti adwumayefo ka but it's better to do 1 billion.
We end this in now hwesa normal we are enisa uma waniji because at this time, that conversation, no second year of Akufo Addo, that conversation is okay. And crowd do na eba na ebe say.
Yes.
Na adwene sate bawo. Many pets at table so adwene say okay now we are having thousands of kids. Oh my ready so mbeko school. Nti yenya ne den. Okay, yes see more infrastructures. Yemfa more teachers. Yemfa more your friend say cooks. Non-education staff no. Your friend say non-teaching staff no. Yemfa bebre nka ho. Yeah expand o infrastructure no. Right? At this stage, near journey ambulances do a Wagana home. Ambulance there say 50, but there be a man for Chiromodo, the MPB my baby. And no man, we had deep crime inflation, yeah, high, no can near store gold more, no.
Aye.
And no man, we had you. Ghana yet there. Inflation cost fuel prices cost near to more gold for the country. Say young stone wonder that BBC says CBMA we fall on it. But at this stage, you know, we end this in here. Are you happy? Sa stage yeah mo. We thank you, Mr. President, for giving us part. Thank you. Now you call baby you say well you kokwa nunya say we say o ma me 3 we say o ma me 4 o ma cheche kokwa na shaman fo nse bo bia mfa nko di fi there be on Ghana